And in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Ender 3 S1 Pro or S1 not working the SD card and giving the error. So basically what you'll need to do is plug your SD card to your computer, and as you can see I have my SD card right here. So just right click it, then you'll need to click format and just copy these settings. As you can see, file system it is on FAT32 and 32 kilobytes for allocation unit size, and basically you can volume label how you want to, and you'll need just to click quick format and click start. So this means it will format your SD card. Make sure you don't have any files or you have your files backup. And basically now if I go to the Cura and basically I will click save to removable drive, as you can see if we go to the SD card it will save that. And now what I'll need to do is click on this little arrow right here and just right click it on your USB and click eject USB storage, and this will prevent any errors right now. And let's go to the printer. So I have my SD card right here, and now what I will need to do is basically push like this, upside down, sorry for the dust, and that because the printer is in the garage of course, and basically now push like this and you'll be able to see that media is inserted right now. And if you go to the media, click on servo cover and print, it should print. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below.